There are two kinds of clients, of customers that you get when you're doing service work. Or there's a customer that looks at your lifestyle and says, she doesn't really need the money. I'll delay the payment. I'm so used to them because I've been working with them for such a long time. And then there's another customer that respects your work and will understand that every month end they have to make the payments. They, as much as they're making the payments to suppliers, they also have to make a payment to you. I've recently had to let go of those customers that I've been working with for years, because simply that I think people get access to also your personal WhatsApp or personal life, man, and they get to understand that you live a certain way, and then when you live a certain way, then you don't deserve to be paid on time. I just interpret it that way because I think the culture of working with people ngesintu, it's called ubuntu, is not really does not support business growth. And for me, I've had to let go of the people that I was working with for a long time, because I feel like they do not, because I believe that they do not support my growth and where I want to go. I'm trying to raise my standards in terms of how I work. I'm raising my standards. So raising my standards is working with people that when I give a service, then they give me the money. They value the service that I'm giving to them. And also other avenues, man, just raising my standards in terms of the people that I interact with. I know that I show up respectfully when I do business with people, and I also have to raise my standards. People that I work with as well must understand that they need to show up respectfully when they working with me. So letting go has been a huge part of my 2024 business growth journey, or reinventing my business. And I've been listening to content about raising your standards and looking at your bank account and seeing the amount of work that you're doing. Does that translate to your bank account? And for me, it wasn't translating to the bank account. The bank account was not a true reflection of how busy I am on a daily basis. Unfortunately, I've had to make those decisions. Letting go on a personal capacity is painful, as also on the professional capacity, but it's something that you cannot avoid. Sometimes you have to close the doors. Not that there's any kind of malice or any kind of I'll say not difference in opinion, because there is a difference in opinion. I would say you didn't fight with people or anything like that, but in how you're mapping out your new life, you unfortunately have to let go of those people. And also people that know the old versions of you. Some people know the old version of me that was desperate to have any kind of work. And that old version has actually given them that impression that I'll do anything. I will accept the bare minimum because I'm just desperate to have anything to work on. But now you have to reintroduce them to the new version, and unfortunately, it's not going to get accepted, that new version of you. And to demand the good things from people, to demand the highest quality of results from yourself, highest quality of interactions with yourself and from other people, unfortunately, you have to let go. So I've had to let go. Especially in this month of November, I had to let go, and I'm in the quest of raising my standards and of building a sustainable business. And I've been exposed to other people that do business as well, and I've seen the culture of how they run their businesses. I think sending out an invoice and expecting payment is the bare minimum for them. And I've had to let it slide for such a long time. And unfortunately, this time I've had to reinforce that standard, and it resulted to letting go. So Consider letting go. Consider looking at the person that you want to be as well, and think about things that align with that person that you want to be. I had to kind of look at my current life. Does it reflect the person that I want to be? Does it? No, it didn't. Do the people that I interact with every day, my current customers reflect the plans and and the goals I have for my business? No, they don't. Okay, letting go, letting go. So I've had to reconcile with that, and here I am.